Amalenge kungam sa sokten shiba anzo base kola changi kasa thangodi introduction che dine indicators che dine assets che tatari sokten shiba la base la nakare base. Okay, so the physical properties of base ki physical properties ni ke shevta china. Physical properties na ngola nganzo kharchangri na base la ditsane any base di any nganzo ki thwa te china conditions na so beta is beta t is right thwa te china beta t is dine nganzo ki base la ele chana lagwa chang bata china any khars na 이즈 콜라 라고 이즈 렌스 라고 차나 엔드 치스나 잠부시도문도 어디 소피터 슬리퍼리터 지야나 소피터 지야 yes any base की कार्चिकल्सना red litmus ची blue letter ची yes red litmus ची blue letter ची red to blue red litmus माजुके the indicators ले बता ची ना indicator दी blue letter ची yes. In base also conducts electricity. Electricity in a solution. When a solution does not conduct electricity, if we add little bits of base, then this solution will conduct electricity. And so here base conducts electricity. Kasang anzo acids they give good electrolyte badangshi base is good electrolyte is yeah that dinde ki base di tang anzo ki base ki physical base na khare dos base la tu chane ko khare slippery in touch yoba taste chi bitter yoba dine base la di it is also good electrolyte any base la di khachi na red litmus chi blue litmus chi is the base la tu chane tang anzo common base din base la anzo common base din anzo mandunya la any base la di khare anzo base ewa che yores na ewa che yores pena acid la anzo acid ewa che na shi base le ewa che dus base di anzo ewa che na china two types of base la type ni che type ni di water soluble tang water insoluble base tang water insoluble base ta nganju ki base la nganju ki alkali base la alkali khati lagre la chane base di water soluble ina if these base are water soluble then they are called as alkali ta water soluble base di khare di chis na in a periodic table the first group and second group ra ngaju group thangbu da group nibadi and these are the metals when they form a base and those bases they are soluble in water dige sama ngaju kharisna water soluble base alkali tang alkaline earth alkali metals tang alkaline earth metals tang alkali metals tang alkaline earth metals tang then so kachasna these the base formed by these metals alkali metals and alkaline earth metals they are water soluble other base like zinc hydroxide, iron hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, they are water insoluble base and they are not considered as an alkali. Base is a common name. Base like the common name chabre. Base le yawachina water soluble base tang water insoluble base. Water soluble base dikila alkali alade. Alkali lavatang base lavani. Any alkali lana base in the chaps. Base in alkali in the machaps. Any the jungo kare water insoluble base churches. Oh, duxing on to get your chair and the base type chair. That base base ki toda dige ding anzo ki kharcha asuna ewa che da physical properties da dige just an introduction to a base la anzo ki introduction che da chemical properties ka anzo ki shel resina base की chemical properties के ना अनि यला chemical properties machine यला common base ना जो base common खासे ची potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. So here potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, these are some common bases. These are base common khasiyat and nature. That is base chemical properties. How this base reacts with metal. Base chiki metal nyam to khalis react. Metals nyam do base ke react china condition chi reverse. Ta base penasha shana ni pane nya sodium hydroxide le machi. Sodium hydroxide is the base. Ta the sodium hydroxide the metal like metal ni ki zinc chi le machi na any kharchi this reaction. This is a metal base check any metal reaction na base tang metal reaction na any kharcha is na sodium sodium zincate le dila khare salt tang any hydrogen gas. That base chiki metal of the reactions no salt and hydrogen gas take those. That the complex salt sodium zincate sodium zincate like salt chale on the dig salt chales had the dig salt chale digi kharchas na base ke metal nyam the reaction in any anzola kharasna salt and hydrogen gas condition anzo ke test chebata china correct pop sound ki thone anzo hydrogen gas detect. Similarly base reacts with little bit of this sodium hydroxide and aluminium when they are dissolved in water. When this little bit of sodium hydroxide and aluminium is dissolved in water, what we are going to get is sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate, and we are going to get hydrogen. We are going to get hydrogen here. So base again reacts with metal to form sodium aluminate, which is salt, and it produces hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas producing this. Okay, if we balance this equation, once the equation the balance shimla china. Oh. Yeah, the sodium dela niche, sodium niche bacha. Then oxygen dela niche, dela oxygen niche, oxygen shiche, dela oxygen ni shiche, oxygen shiche. That dela aluminum niche, dela aluminum niche diviche. Then that dela karcha hydrogen sheet and dela karcha also na hydrogen sheet. Those hydrogen sheet. Oh. Not took chawda hydrogen del ni ra hydrogen ni and del khara hydrogen she the shilinga took sene del hydrogen di chawda. Okay, equation balance balance chawde oxygen del ni oxygen she del oxygen ni ki she che equation balance chawde di kharcha arsina. Sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium in water to form sodium aluminate and it gives off hydrogen gas. This is sodium aluminate. All those compound chain. Chemical properties nangula. Base reacts with metals. Base ke metal name to react in salt and hydrogen gas. Similarly, acid reacts with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Chika base ke addition take those. That dinde base chi ra nanzo ke do shene that dige some chemical properties of base. The base ke chemical properties to chene nanzo ke de chik base reaction with metal chik chai. Dine base reaction with non-metal oxide. Base reaction with non-metal oxide. Base chicken non-metal oxide nemdula reaction yes. Right. The base again let's take sodium hydroxide. When this sodium hydroxide reacts with non-metal oxide like carbon dioxide, and then there is a formation of say sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate sodium 2 del 2 sodium carbonate. Thang any kharchalsna de the hydrogen de hydrogen ni H2O water cha. The hydrogen ni oxygen soon equation rangimeva balance cha. Chase the carbon chick sodium ni oxygen soon she oxygen ni soon she takta. Okay, the when this base reacts with non-metal oxide like carbon dioxide, there is a formation of carbonate. The sodium carbonate salt. This one is sodium carbonate. It is a salt and water. The base reacts with non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide. There is a formation of salt and water. Similarly, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide ji manzuge carbon dioxide naji. Tenanshi chinyamtola react chisuna manzula kharabisna calcium carbonate thang and manzula water reacts. Calcium carbonate thang water. Equation rangshimeva balance. Then shear the sunga chick she hydrogen ni equation rangshimeva balance. These are say some chemical properties of base. Base ke chemical properties होते हैं the chemical properties of base base reaction with metal thang, base reaction with non-metal oxide. non-metal oxide yagdola representation chigres ra ta dinangshi cheni chemical properties dige manzo itosin base dige doksanga enta manzo kharidi chiguna let me talk about the uses of this base uses kharibes uses of base uses ta conclude chiga base tenso call use chigisna any manzo namgi household appliances today. Household appliances khali dola penachashana household appliances penachashana toothpaste household appliances like toothpaste o dinne la kharchi gursna base mangche ganjogi khamba nang page dengres khamba nang toothpaste o dinne la any toothpaste digela any strong base chukchi bore so khansna ganjogi soda digela acid kinne mam ke indusne the acid dige neutralize chela any toothpaste do nangola and base chukchi bore any cleansers, right? Manzo namgi khangwa nangol pena shiguchi yegi spray yunere, and the menege and the poru easy denzo mangcheji, and denzo nangol, right? Any two liquid soap type denzo mangcheji, right? Any denzo la kariyosina, any base yes. Chesa base uses the household appliances like toothpaste, many cleansers, right? Cleansers denzo mangcheji ngola, any kariyosina they are more of basic nature, for the basic nature they should change. Yeah, and cheza ni base like the khardo, base like the equally strong as acid, base are equally harmful and corrosive like acids. Acid nang chicheni base ke harmful ta corrosive re, cheza never touch them, the gelabo chayam do. Any base ke red litmus chi blue latten chigitu base dige slippery in touch resha any base dige any properties dige metal acid nang chi ge properties chipali gitu any acid chi neutralize chi tu gosna base ki chi tu re cheza neutralization reaction di nganzo next period de shi ja che ana anda the base di ni base ki any physical properties base ki type dine base ki kardosna anda de chemical properties dige che any base ki uses che and duksin ni gitari any sokte shibati tangla any ni base di and duksin de shi ja shawi